Okay. Questions 3 and 4, we're going to do relatively quickly, and I can give you questions 3. You can skip them if you, or you probably don't do any homework anyways, so it doesn't really matter, right? Consider this function, 4 plus 5x plus 2x cubed. You want to create 4 new functions so that if you added them together, you would get 4 plus 5x plus 2x cubed. So, like, does it make sense? You could make f of x the 4. And then the g of x could be the 5x. And the n of x could be the 2x cubed. And you're like, oh crap, I need one. Well, let me just make the last one 0. That works, right? If I add those together, do I not get what I mean, you could be creative. You could make this one 2 and this one 2, and they would add together to get 4, and then still use 5x and 2x cubed. But these are really kind of dumb questions because you could sort of just be like, well, why don't I just make f of x exactly what I want it to be? How many more do you want? Oh, you want another one? I'll make it 0. You want another one? Oh, I'll make that one 0 too. Oh, a third one? Okay. There we go. That would also be a correct answer, which feels kind of like cheating. But don't they all add up to get exactly what you started with? So it's kind of a dumb question in that sense. But it shows that there's multiple possibilities. I will say that sometimes this is good for practice, but you can cheat by just saying the first one is what you want it to be and make all the others 0. Oh, what should I do for part B? Why don't I make the first one exactly here? I'll save myself some time here. Just take out my eraser. Just put a B here. There we go. Make the first one exactly the same and subtract nothing, and I would get the original function. Okay, so you're never going to get asked these questions on an exam because it's too easy. Would be nice, right? I guess they could be. The only way I could see it being somewhat thinking is they could say, okay, h of x equals a of x plus b of x. You know what h of x is. I'm going to tell you that b of x is equal to 2 plus 3x squared. You have to figure out what a of x is. Still pretty easy. A of x would have another 2, right? It would have the 5x. It would have to have a negative 3x squared to cancel this one out. And then it would still have to have the plus 2x cubed. Wouldn't be super hard, but a little bit actually a better question because there's only one right answer. Whereas the first one, you could have multiple answers that would work out. Okay, so circle questions 7 and 8.